Oh yeah, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. Woo-hoo. Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. I am really hungry, so I'm gonna make a quick breakfast burger with just half-pound beef patty that I got from a local grocery store, 1 egg, mayonnaise, brioche bun. That's all it's gonna go into it. This is what it looks like. Here's the brioche burger buns that I'm gonna use. These are my favorites, I love them. The last egg in this container is gonna go into the burger. Of course, Kerrygold butter. Can't do nothing without that. My new favorite mayonnaise, Duke's mayonnaise. I really like it, it's good. And I got these two beef patties from a local grocery store. I'm gonna show you what they look like in a second. So here's what the half-pound beef patty looks like that I'm gonna use for this burger. Really good. This is what I'm gonna season the beef patty with. And for this cook, I'm using my trusted little Weber grill. So we got the meat going. So now I need to butter the bun. Alright, time to check on the burger buns. Oh, look at that. Wow, look how beautiful that looks. Beautiful. Alright, we're gonna flip this bad boy. Now we gotta do the egg. All right, I got the egg done. Let's get the meat. This looks good. Oh, I can't wait to eat it. I'm gonna give it a second for the meat to cool down a little bit. It's piping hot off the grill. This looks beautiful. Breakfast burger by Parks and Pizza. Here we go, guys. This is it. This is what this bad boy looks like. And I can't wait to try it out. It's piping hot off the grill. I know it's gonna be really good. So let's go for it, man. I'm starving. I didn't eat nothing all day, and I can't really wait to dig in. Get my first bite of this. Perfectly cooked. Look at that. Oh, nice. Nice and medium, just the way I like it. The egg is good. I got the egg a little on the well side because I didn't want it to be all runny and stuff, and for this video anyway. Oh yeah. That is good. It's a little runny. Good. Nothing wrong with that. Honestly, just a simple burger, man. It's the brioche bun, mayo, egg, and a good beef patty. That makes all the difference in the world. Look at that. There's no need to go to a fast food place and spend $12. You can do this for probably cost me $3 for this.